Hello there, my name is Sean Greasley and welcome to volume 17 in our series of Visual Basic tutorials. In this tutorial I will be discussing the use of the CHR function. Okay, the CHR function is used for a way of using escape codes within Visual Basic. If you have used escape codes in HTML, you may have come across something like this, which displays this to the user, the ampersand. You may have used them in C++ as new lines, tabulations by using the backwards character. In Visual Basic we use what is known as the CHR function. Okay, I'll show you why we need to use this. When you use a message box, for example, and we want to say Sean said hello, we want to display these speech marks here to the user, and as you can see, expected end of statement. Visual Basic doesn't like you using its little characters here as the contents of a string, because it thinks this is the start of the string and this is the end of the string. It then doesn't know what this piece here. If we cut it away, for example, it works quite well. But we would like a message box to say Sean said hello, for example. The way to get around this is using the CHR functions. As you can see, I have downloaded a little template from ASCII-table.com. If you haven't come across ASCII before, it's abbreviated as American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It's a way of using these numbers here to refer to different characters within your computer. Okay, as you can see, the character ampersand, this is one we discussed before, and little exclamation marks. This is the abbreviations for HTML. I do stress that this ampersand does work with 38 and the amp function. As you can see, we've got oct as well, we've got hex, and we've got dec. For the purpose of the CHR function, we will refer to the dec column. So you may find it handy to save this image to your computer so you can refer to it when using the CHR function. Okay, we want to use the speech marks. As you can see, they are here, so we refer to dec 34. If we go back to our program, we end the string here, we use the ampersand symbol, type in, I think it was 34, another ampersand, we have the string we want here, another and, CHR 34. So this is saying Sean said, we're outputting the speech mark onto the screen, hello is a string, and we're outputting a speech mark onto the screen. These are escape codes for these here. It's like using these as variables. It won't let you, as similar, it won't let you use speech marks inside strings. So let's have a look at this. As you can see, Sean said hello, and we've made use of the speech marks using the CHR function, which you can refer to on an ASCII grid similar to this. Okay, you have been listening to Sean Greasley's tutorials on CHR functions within Visual Basic. I hope you enjoy the other tutorials on the website, and goodbye.